Hey ladies, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, welcome back. Hi guys, what's up? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Turn on the post notifications to all so you don't miss any of these videos that I upload. In today's video, I have another haul for you guys. I have some Shein, Amazon, and Eno Couture. Quickly, I'm gonna show you what I got from Amazon. I did go ahead and order the Burano nail glue gel. Tubes are kind of small. They need to definitely make these bigger. That's something that I did notice. These are only 8 mLs. Burano, you need to do like a big tube, like one of these, like a 60-gram tube full of rhinestone glue, because I'm telling you, a lot of people are going to love it. Anyway, you get 2 little tiny gel glue for your nail. And then what I thought was really cool is they do send you some Fimo. So you get some fruit Fimos. Oh my God, you guys, look at these. You get miniature gummy bears. Anyway, look how cute. Look how tiny these little gummy teddy bears are. And then you get these little butterflies too. And they all have that iridescent shimmer. How adorable, right? There are hearts. There's all different shapes. Mickey heads, snowflakes, circles. Really freaking cute. And I did purchase this, of course, with my own money. Burano don't never send me nothing no more. So also over on Amazon, I got a new mat. Can't show you guys the whole thing because it's actually really huge. Got the glitter background, okay? Not very wide, so that's how wide it is. Measurements will be in the link that I've provided. It's got like a rubber backing, so it'll stay where you put it. It also came with like a little mouse pad. It's just a circle. You know, nothing special. Let me go ahead and show you guys the stuff I got from Shein. I got a dip tray because I needed one of these for when I'm doing my no monomer method. This is going to come in super handy. I'm not exactly sure how you work this, but it comes with the 2 trays. Okay, I guess you can take that one out and just use this one. I'm not sure. Oh my gosh, I don't know. How do you work this thing? I guess you pour, you like pour over. You can use this to like pour, and then you pull it out and dump it back in. And it even comes with a funnel, which is really cute. So that's nice. Over on Shein, we got some metal alloys. Cute little cutesy Chinese stuff. The little bear. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. The little paws. It's got that little kitty. You know, really cool stuff. Shoot, guys, I forgot. I have one more item from Amazon. Let me throw that in there real quick. I got these flat back, like pearl, big bling, whatever you want to call them. The perfect size, and they're kind of like a flower shape with the little pearl. Yeah, so comes in a really nice little case. Let's go ahead and move to Shein. Found these. So it comes with not only the really big ones. Oh my gosh, they went everywhere. It comes with some super teeny tiny ones. It comes with this size, which came out in my Your Nail Lab box. And then you get this size, and then you get the really large ones. And then it also comes with some teeny little white pearl hearts. And then it comes with these teeny tiny like iridescent hearts. You see how it glows? You see that when I turn it? Almost like a reflective heart. Oh my gosh, isn't that pretty? I should have got 2 of them, but oh well. What are you gonna do, right? Go back and order more. I need to quit ordering stuff. I'm blaming it all on y'all. I want to try some Shein nails, and I think someone requested me to try some. And I thought these were gorgeous, and it looks like I can use bubblegum gel to apply them because they're kind of sheer for just a dollar or something like that. It comes with tabs. I can see them from here. I grabbed some more stickers. This one is a glow in the dark, and it's got planets, it's got the moon, it's got little aliens. And there you go. You can actually see them a little better. Some more little planets because y'all already know I'm doing a zodiac series, and I just wanted to have some extra planet stickers. And it's got, this one has some of the zodiac symbols. It says I love the universe. I need more sage. I also got these. These have the little aliens. I think these were really cute. They have little spacemen. These are also the zodiac circles, zodiac signs. These hearts, and thought that, you know, these were really pretty. They feel really weird, but they're really pretty, so I grabbed those. And then the last of the stickers is this one here. I thought was really, really cute. Had to grab this one. These are actually big. I don't know if these are stickers or water decals. These might be water decals, but they're freaking cute. From AliExpress. Now these are charms, but I'm going to use them on the nail when I do my Sailor Moon nails. So I have my 10XL nail here, and I want to just show you. It does have like a hook here. I'm not going to worry about that. I can actually set that inside poly gel. It's going to go on the nail just like so. It's going to fit perfect. This one has the charm part on the top, which I can easily cut that off with wire cutters. It's another type of wand with the crescent moon, and it's got the pearl, the heart, and the diamonds. And I thought, oh my god, these would work perfect with the Sailor Moon chicks, right? So I got my purchases from Eno Couture yesterday. I did get the new tumbler, and you do get a random color, and I got pink. So it has the Eno Couture logo, Max, EnoCouture.com. It's got like cute little sprinkles. It's got the little straw. It's got like the little rainbow with the holographic stars. And then on top it says good mood, and it has clouds and stuff like that. Moving on, I also got his dampen dish. It's large, pink. I love it. I also got a new flashy light because my other one broke. So I got that. I grabbed another Wonder Gel No Wipe Top Coat. And I also got the Flash Gel. This is number 147. Reflective Gel, whatever you want to call it. I actually put it over black this time. Isn't that gorgeous? So this one is just the regular silver. Okay, so that's what it looks like with it just swatched. So either way is just freaking gorgeous, or you can put it over a color. Also ordered the famous square because I wasn't sure, how they compared to all the other squares that I have. But here is the famous square. This is what it looks like. It's got a really nice apex, a really nice sharp C-curve. I like it. This is the 5XL. Just to show you guys really quickly, compared to the famous, okay? The 5XL, it does have a C-curve, but not as sharp as the famous. The 10XL, of course, the famous is still the sharper C-curve, if you like the sharper C-curve. The maximum is actually flat compared to the famous square. And then you also have the extreme square, which is also flat. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that really, really quickly. Max sent me his nail care brush wipes. Comes in a really cute, nice little package. You get 60. These are 200 by 190 millimeter. And it's simply exactly what they are is brush wipes. So it's like a tissue. It's like a really large tissue. So if you're working on something and you have to continuously wipe your brush, these are really great for that. He has 4 new gems. It's got this color, the pink one, the blue one, and I think a teal green, but I didn't get the teal green. Did go ahead and get, there's 5 of these, I do believe. There's 5 Stardust Bonbon Gels, and I've got 4 of them. The Bonbon Stardust number 4, and that is the swatch. There is number 4 Bonbon Gel. Number 3, and then this is that one swatched over black, and with the light. Oh my gosh, look at that, y'all. Isn't that gorgeous? Number 2. So there's that one. And then we have number 5. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And I can't remember what the number 1 is, but I believe he has 5 of them, like I said. Then I ordered one of his new magic syrup. That's what it looks like. That's like 2 coats. It is a cat eye gel. There you go. That is the magic syrup. And he has a couple different ones, I do believe. I went to Walmart and I did grab some more charms, some more mermaid charms. These are called Dress It Up, Splish Splash, and another 2 dolphins, 2 starfish, seashell, and 3 mermaids. And these ones here are perfect for those really long nails. Also saw these for dangles, for nail dangles, and I grabbed these. These are like the little shells, starfish. Okay, so I was like, oh yeah, I've got to get those. Those are adorable. I saw these. This one is called Vintage Vogue. See, they all have like a little name right here. This is a 10X. Look at that. It's actually perfect for the 10X nails. Perfect. So it gives you this. It says Paris. It's like a little clock. And then you get like the little plastic key. And of course, it'll fit on the nail. It is flat back. There's nothing to clip off. Nothing at all. You get this little beautiful flower that, of course, has that, but clip it off, pop it right there. Look how adorable. Look how adorable. And then it comes with 2 flat back flowers, roses, which are really beautiful and would fit perfectly right there. And then, of course, you get a little heart. And you just, again, cut those off. Same with the crown. I love the crown. And the locket. I got a locket in my pocket. The last item that I got is actually open because I am working on a set of nails. And these are from Amazon. It comes in a whole pack. So you get this one. You get this one, and they're all rainbow. And it's going to be a surprise, so I'm not going to show you guys what I'm doing. But there you have it. You get all of those in one pack. Guys, so that is the haul video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Let me know down in the description what was your favorite item that I showed. Also, put some really cute emojis down in the comment section. Y'all know I love emojis. Thank you guys once again for watching. Hope you did enjoy it. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Share it with a friend. Share it with a grandma. Share it with a grandpa. Share it with whoever you want to share it with. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm sending you guys lots of love and light. Don't forget to catch it. Bye, guys.